Hi, welcome to my segment for how to change the oil on the Nissan Pathfinder 2011. Already, I've drained the oil right here, and I took out the oil filter from right over there. Before I remove this panel right here, just got it unhinged, and I took that nut out right over there. Drain the oil. Now all I have to do is put in new oil filter and the new oil. Now, as you can see, I just installed a new oil filter, and I just have to swing this panel right here right back over, and the panel is back in place. All I gotta do now is screw it up. Now, as you can see, everything is all tightened up. You can move on to pouring the oil in the engine, and this is where you simply add the oil.